Thank you for purchasing the Snap-on Brakekare system. Your shop now has the latest in brake fluid service technology that will provide you with years of reliable service. In this program, we'll show you the initial setup and operating procedures so you can get started with your new Snap-on equipment. Please take the time to read through the instruction manual, understand and follow all safety instructions before performing your first brake fluid exchange. To get started, you'll need to prime the system. This is necessary when the unit is first received. The Snap-on Brakekare ships with a prime tool already connected to the fill and vacuum lines. You should find a yellow instruction card attached to the prime tool. To begin, fill the bottle on the front of the machine with new brake fluid. Turn the equipment on and wait for the main menu, which will display the Brakekare functions. Press S4, Utility Mode. Then press S2 for System Prime. The screen will instruct you to connect the prime tool to the fill and vacuum lines. This is already done. Press Start. The unit will automatically prime itself and then shut off when priming is complete. Remove the prime tool from the hoses and store it in the adapter drawer on the bottom of the Brakekare. You're now ready to begin using your new equipment. Let's get started on your first brake flush. Remove the master cylinder reservoir cover and screen. Press S1, Master Cylinder Cleanout. Using the vacuum wand, vacuum all the old fluid from the reservoir. Then press the Stop button. Now attach the appropriate adapter cap to the master cylinder reservoir. Hand tighten the attachment chains. Brakekare pressures only range from 15 to 20 psi, but it's important to ensure a secure fit. Attach the master tool to the adapter. This provides a connection plug for the fill line and serves as a vent to release any air that remains in the fill line or reservoir. Now connect the master cylinder fill hose to the adapter and press S2, Master Cylinder Fill. Completely fill the new fluid container with the appropriate brake fluid. Check for fluid flow to the master cylinder reservoir and make sure there are no leaks. When the master cylinder is filled, press the Stop button. Next, with the vehicle raised, remove the protective caps from the bleeder fittings and open them 1/4 turn. A lack of flow may indicate conditions such as debris in the fluid or a damaged wheel cylinder. Connect the vacuum lines to each fitting. Then, at the control panel, press S3, Fluid Exchange, to start the flush. Check the vacuum lines for flow and color of the fluid. When the fluid becomes clear in the front wheel vacuum hoses, generally in 1 or 2 minutes, close the bleeder valve fittings. Then, close the rear lines when they are clear. Leave all the vacuum hoses attached until all bleeders are closed. And make sure the Brakekare is on when closing the bleeder fittings. This will prevent back-checking of air into the brake system. Once all bleeder fittings are closed, press Stop on the touchpad. No additional bleeding is necessary. Now remove the vacuum hoses. Check that the bleeder fittings are tight and replace the protective caps. With the vehicle lowered, remove the master cylinder fill hose and adapter from the master cylinder. Check to see if the fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir is correct and adjust if necessary. Immediately replace the cover to prevent possible contamination of the new brake fluid. Now step on the brakes to ensure proper brake pedal pressure. You'll probably notice a much firmer brake pedal due to the precision of the Brakekare service. The brake fluid system servicing is complete. The Brakekare has an internal tank that holds approximately 4 gallons of waste brake fluid. When full, a warning will sound and the LCD screen will indicate the tank is full. Note, you must follow all federal, state, and local laws when discarding waste brake fluid. To empty the waste tank, press the Start button to return to the main menu. Press S4 to enter the Utility menu. Press S1, Empty Waste, and follow the on-screen instructions. Attach the waste tank emptying hose. Press the Start button and drain into an appropriate container. A full tank will take about 5 minutes. When finished, press Stop. Congratulations on your purchase of the Snap-on Brakekare system, the ultimate in ease of use, state-of-the-art, and return on investment in brake flush technology. Snap-on, there is a difference.